Okay.
Did Uber finally fix Surge?
All right. So this is, again, please no hate mail on this one. This is me, LA, my screenshots. Now, the one on the left happens quite a bit still. It's called kryptonite. Yeah, you'll be in the middle of the Red Sea, and then suddenly the Red Sea will depart or
Called Surge Island.
spread apart, and then I clean up all the surge around me. But then that's okay. I'm not going to talk too much about that. What I want to talk about is that we did like a couple of videos. We talked about it in length about the surge baiting thing, right? So I would have my app off, like it is on the left screenshot, and then as the second I turn my app on, first of all, the colors would go from blood red to some pale orange. Well, it's not happening anymore in LA. So whenever I turn my app on, everything is staying the same. Now, I need comments, or we're going to do a video, I'm sure, about this one. Please comment if this has stopped in your city, because okay, we talked to Uber. Uber came back saying that it was a glitch. I go, my, what glitch? Because
Yeah.
because it was a 4-year long glitch, Uber.
Yeah.
It's been going on for 4 years
Since they started this sticky surge.
Yeah, since the sticky, but it's not happening anymore. Tony, is it happening in Denver?
You know what? I find that with my Android versus my iPhone, like there's a little bit more lag time on whatever server they run the Android app off of.
Yeah.
And maybe like the surge when I get there is a little bit lower, or maybe a little bit higher than what I actually see.
Yeah.
But it's more on point with my Apple phone being real time.
Well, it's not happening now. I mean, I tested this pretty much every half hour on the hour. After Uber said it was a glitch, we fixed it. I mean, the map in the middle, actually, which is 4:07 a.m. Taken, and the route one is also 4:07 a.m., right? So basically, exactly within 5 seconds of each other, I took these screenshots. I turned the app on. If this was the case when we did the episode a couple weeks ago, talked about surge baiting, where everybody goes to the surge, and when they turn the app on, surge disappears. It's exactly staying the same. And then I did another one in my neighborhood. This is Santa Monica. The next screenshot will show you guys that too, is that I had my app off. I was sitting at home. Literally, I'm like right under the 12 out of 100. Again, 8:29 a.m., 8:29 a.m. Both screenshots taken simultaneously almost. I turned my app on. Nothing changed. Exactly stayed the same, which is shocking to me. So now maybe they fixed it. So what's happening in other cities? Please let me know in emails or comments. And I zoomed in, right? And again, my app is off, and I'm under actually at 350 and 9, between 350 and 9. That's my house. I turned my app on. They gave me 750, which is probably a lot higher than I thought it would be. Okay. And now I'm ready to go take a trip with plus 750. But then if you look at all the little dots, red dots, nothing changed. Every number stayed exactly the same. So we're taking full credit for this one, drivers. We fixed it for you. There you go. After 4 years, and some guy at Uber probably will watch the show and they go like, wait a minute, they're busting us over here. So there you go. So to me, it's not happening anymore. If it's happening to you guys, please let me know. Sergio at RideShareGuy.com. So no more surge baiting.
Yeah, and if you have screenshots or anything like that, please send them. Especially like these back and forths where when you see it when you first open up your app versus going online, that's one thing that you always saw. But then we were seeing videos that people were literally driving under a particular number. It could be like $10, but it was only showing up $4.50 while they were driving underneath it. So
I'll pay more attention, because that does happen to me a lot. I'll pay more attention.
Take some screenshots, send them to me, Tony, or do like a screen record, for a minute, because I'm telling you, I tested this. I have 1,000 screenshots. It's not happening. So I'm going like, wonderful. We fixed something finally, maybe, hopefully. I don't know.
Well, we will try to take credit for it, but is it also somebody put in the comments saying this could be part of like the FTC investigation, which this would be part of that? It just seems like the federal government's just cracking down on these companies right now.
Yeah, they are. And you know, but if it works for our benefit, hey man, you know, I mean, if we fix something or help fix something, great. Anyway.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.